When we reach Jamaica, Usher say, he want me and him go on tour. And the first show is gonna be Madison Square Gardens.
See it there?
So me I say, I wonder if them a try trick me.
And a normal something that
When me do so now I'm fly go, when them send the plane for me, I'm a fly go. If you want to let me go, white man there in I'm 3-piece jacket suit. I come out, me say a sign. Elephant man?
See
Me say, yo, white man, yo, my youth, yo, me J, shizzle. And I say, okay, yeah. Elephant, me say, yeah. When me look, them camera go straight to Madison Square Garden. How me know say dancing and dancehall around the place?
Yeah.
Is when me reach a Madison Square Garden, I go through the door, Usher rears on the stage. When Usher do so and see me, him say, Elephant man, oh, ready. See me, huh? So me I say, okay. Me I say, yeah, we are reach places and the thing a happen and thing, yeah. And the first time that no Puff Daddy are gonna meet me. So Puffy come and thing and Puffy see the thing and Puffy come hail me up and thing. So Puffy see when me, that night it was me, Usher, Ludacris, Little John,
Beer Star,
Yin Yang Twins go one time.
One time.
So you know, say, in this star thing me there. And I like some of the right there. So Usher say, yo, I got some special guests. I got to call up some of my friends. Yo, Little John and Little John run out. Yo, Ludacris run out. Then the man them say, Elephant man, when me run out, I say, dance all nice again. Remember me not run out with no pop nothing, you know. Me not run up with no pop nothing. Then now me go up and film the rhythm. We go number 1 on the billboard. This you know fi do then dance and take it. So when me draw that and climb up on one box. And me say turn on the phone light them. When me say turn on the light them on the phone them and everybody put up them light in the ear. Everybody turn on the cell phone.
Yeah.
Me do so like me I say turn on the cell phone. When me I say turn on the cell phone them. And when me do so and everybody hold up them cell phone in the ear so and you see the light them and I say lock off the light in a Madison Square Garden. And this is no Wycliffe seat and take it.
Yeah.
And take the performance from me. Wycliffe say, yo, Ellie man, I gotta borrow that phone light thing, man.
Yeah.
Where you lock off all the lights and that phone light looks so great. And me bring in that. Can't miss a signal plane. The man don't know that come and miss the lock off the light. Turn on the cellular phone there. Dance all nice again.
Yeah, man.
And the whole Madison Square Garden. And me I create all of them history there. And we have dance all, I bring power back. And we have do the thing, you know?
Yeah.
And we never complain, we just do the work and I put in the work. A whole heap of work put in, whole heap of work, whole heap of thing, man.